Static electricity is detrimental to many processes. It can attract contamination, cause shocks to operators, and create sparks that could start fires or damage sensitive electronic components. It can be created when insulative materials come into contact with each other, when they're cut or when plastics are moulded. Electric fields and radiation such as UV light can also cause static electricity. The Fraser range of ionised air nozzles are designed to remove dust and static electricity from mouldings, assemblies, PCBs, automobiles, graphics, optics and medical parts. The 4510 air nozzle produces a fast, quiet, flat jet of ionised air for efficient static neutralisation and cleaning. Applications include plastic mouldings and product separation in automatic sheet feeding. The nozzle thoroughly neutralises the static charge so dust can be removed without the risk of reattraction. Its simple design amplifies the compressed air by up to 20:1. The 4400 is a compact, highly efficient ionised air jet featuring a powerful single-point ioniser and 90-degree air nozzle. It's ideal where space is restricted, such as sheet separation on automatic feeders used in the print industry. Next, the 4900 RotoClean combines an advanced circular ioniser with high-speed rotating air jets to create a uniquely effective tool for removing dust and contamination from three-dimensional industrial parts. Twin air-powered jets rotate at up to 60 times per second, delivering a 360-degree flow of ionised air onto the product at up to 240 times per second, creating a pulsed air hammer effect. It's available in 112 and 178mm diameter versions. The final AC product is the 4300, an inline nozzle for ionising an ordinary compressed air line, used, for example, to remove electrostatic contaminants in industries such as bottle and can cleaning or for sheet feeding separation in the print industry. The 4510, 4400, 4900, RotoClean and 4300 are all powered by the Fraser AC range of HP power supplies. The 4800 DC nozzle is the most powerful ionised air nozzle available, with 7.5 kilovolt of powerful ionising performance and all the advantages of advanced electronics integrated into the compact body. The flat nozzle produces intense high-speed airflow for optimal cleaning capability, typically at 50 to 100 millimeters. Powered by 24-volt DC, the 4800 DC can be used throughout industry, including robot arms and high-speed processing applications. To find the ideal ionising air nozzle for your needs, simply contact the sales team.